Ever started your car and it sounds like it's beatboxing instead of idling? Yeah, that's your engine misfiring. A misfire means one or more cylinders aren't firing properly. Could be a bad spark plug, coil, or fuel injector. But hey, instead of blaming the car, maybe check if you filled up at that mystery gas station again. Ignore it long enough, and that small misfire can destroy your catalytic converter. Basically, your car's lungs. So if your car starts stuttering like it's nervous to talk to you, get it scanned before it turns into a full-blown breakup. Hit that follow button and click the notification bell for more car tips before your engine files a complaint.